Oh boy, I can't believe it's my 51st achoo birthday. Oh, I don't know why that I'm keeping on achoo sneezing. Uh, I really need to stop achoo sneezing. But at least I can still have the achoo birthday party. And also, I just already invite my achoo friends over, and they should come in uh achoo any minute soon. Oh, that was quick. I'm achoo coming achoo. Hello? Achoo! Oh, hi, Mrs. Lees. Happy 51st birthday. Aw, why, achoo! Thank you. Well, come on in. Okay. So glad that you guys, achoo! Finally came. Yeah. But how come you keep on sneezing? Oh, because I just achoo can't help it. Oh. Well, we can still have the party. Yeah. I guess you're achoo, right? So, Mr. Sneeze, you want to open your present? Sure. Okay. I can't wait to see what it achoo is. Well, open it. Okay. Wow, you gave me those achoo. These books of me? Yeah. Wow, that looks really achoo cool. Let me see. It's a book of achoo me and the French version of achoo me. Well, thanks for the present. You're welcome. But we're not done yet because there is one more gift. Wait, there is? Yeah. Alright, Mr. Sneeze. Open the another gift. Okay. Achoo! I'll open it. Wonder what it is. Achoo! Ooh, you gave me the box of tissues? Yeah, since you keep on sneezing a lot, I got you some tissues so that way it will cure the sneeze. Yeah, I guess you're achoo! Right. Yeah. So, anyway, Mr. Sneeze, you want to start the cake? Sure. Okay. Alright, Mr. Sneeze. Are you ready to blow out your candle so you can make a wish? Yes, I achoo! Ready. Alright, then let's start the music. Alright, Mr. Sneeze. So blow out your candle so you can make a wish. Okay. Achoo! What can I wish for? Achoo! Oh, I know. Hooray! So, what did you wish for, Mr. Sneeze? Oh, I wish for that. Achoo! That I can stop sneezing all day. Oh, I see. Yeah. Uh, oh. Feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Oh no. Uh. Achoo! Oh no. I accidentally sneezed on the cake. Oh, Mr. Sneeze. Sorry, I just really can't help sneezing. Yeah. But not too bad. We could still have another cake. Since that cake that you sneezed on. Yeah. I guess you're right. Well, happy 51st birthday, Mr. Sneeze. You too, Mr. Birthday and Little Miss Birthday. And oh, I'll be on with Sneeze. Don't. That was close. Yeah. Achoo!